Okay guys, so this video today is gonna be about no gas MIG welders like this one and kinds of wire you should use. So while I'm here trying to weld this platform for my homemade press, I'm using, let me show you. So I'm using this cheap, not sure if you can see, it says Nutul wire. It's a wire that they sell around here in Portugal, and let me just turn it around and show you. Okay, so I'm using that wire, and honestly that is crap. It's no good. Just making some points here. See how ugly they look? So I'm gonna try on this piece of iron. I'm gonna make a weld with that one. I'm gonna make a weld with this cheap Chinese wire which only says gasless Fluxcored wire AWSA 520 E71 TGS. I got this on AliExpress. And then I'm gonna try this Italian gasless Fluxcored wire from Initube BA71 TGS and see which one of these three, these two and that one, which one of these three works best. So first I'm gonna try and make here a weld with the one on the machine with this new tool, okay? Okay, first wire, new tool, the Portuguese cheap wire. Let's see. Okay, just let me give it a bit. You've seen how much it spatters, and now where the fuck, if you look at the weld, see how ugly that weld is? It looks like almost the machine isn't strong enough to melt the solder. Let me clean it a little bit for you guys to have a better idea. Where is it? There, okay. Yeah, piece of crap. And so, this is the piece of crap you get. This is the piece of crap you get with that wire. With this new tool wire. Okay, that's crap. Now I'm gonna change for this Chinese. And we'll check this one out. Now I got the Chinese gasless Fluxcored wire on the machine installed, and I'm gonna try that one. You can read it here. It's the one. Okay, it's in the machine. Got in my gun. Gonna try that one. Oh, and by the way, with all three wires, machine settings are always the same. I'm not changing anything. Okay, so let's check this Chinese wire. It's definitely a lot easier to weld with that one, but it still makes a lot of spatter, and looks like I get more penetration with that. See, that's this weld, the second one. That was the crappy Portuguese wire, and that's the second one. It sure looks better, but let me clean it a little bit and see how it will look. Well, it definitely works a bit better, but still far from being a good weld. With this one, the first one, it looks like the machine is too weak even if I set it to maximum settings. With this one it seems to melt a lot better, the metal, but the weld is not very good yet. So now I'm gonna try that green one, the Italian one. They say it's the best, let's see it, I'm not sure. Okay, now green inner tube wire, the Italian wire is on my machine installed, and I'm gonna give it a try. Alright, just let me place the camera. Alright, let's try the Italian wire. And as you see, there's still a lot of spatter in the... If you get a closer look, I mean, it's a bit better, but let me clean it a little bit. Let me just clean it a little bit. Alright, and now here we got the three welds. Italian wire, Chinese wire with no brand, and Portuguese wire. Portuguese wire is definitely the worst. Chinese one, more or less. And the Italian, it actually seems to be the best one, even though there's a bit of spatter. You can see, like, with the same settings, there's a straighter string. Of course, it also depends on how you weld. I'm not a professional welder, I'm just playing with this, but definitely has more penetration, as you can see here on the corners. And yeah, I guess it's a bit better. That's the green one. But actually, I was expecting it to be better. It's not bad, but it's not the best as well. I guess these no gas machines are simply not worth it. You know, that's the truth.